Dave here. In this video I'm going to show you how List Leverage will pay you when people don't want to join either your opportunity or the offer that you're promoting to your email subscriber list. Now at the moment in my email subscribers I have 45 leads as a result of this system, and what happened yesterday was that my ClickCash kicked in. Now ClickCash is when you are sending out emails to your list, and I'll do my list video in a separate video to this, but when you send out emails to your list and nobody wants to buy your offer or join your opportunity, but they click on the link within your email, then you get paid ClickCash for it. Now mine started kicking in yesterday and I've got 20 cents so far. Now that doesn't seem an awful lot, but what you have to remember is that if you're broadcasting out at different times of day, and I do mine about 3 or 4 times, depending on the number of people that was on your list, and I have quite a lot on my list as you'll see in a different video, then what will happen is that for every click on the links within that, that ClickCash will then go up. Now it can go up quite high, and it will, but for every link that you get that people click on, you'll get paid for it. Now that's irrespective of what you do, but you have to be a member of List Leverage either at the beginner level or the super affiliate level to make sure that you get this. Now I don't know of any other system, and you may not either, that will pay you when somebody doesn't want to join your opportunity. So if you like the idea of getting paid for sending out an email and for someone clicking on a link within an email, all you need to do to join List Leverage is to click on the link beneath this video. Then you need to hit the subscribe button to get the rest of the videos that I upload, and then hit the bell button to get notified of every single one. So that's how you get, that's how the ClickCash part of List Leverage works. Thanks for watching, and feel free to comment below.